He has a secretary?
The very top of the page. Frequently asked questions and infrequently asked questions.
There you go. This is a Pacific lock. These guys are competitors to our friends at Commando. I have not spent a lot of time analyzing this lock, but it is strange to pick. Sometimes that went open pretty easily, and sometimes it is, I don't know, it gets all stuck up on spools and stuff, so I may have to gut this and see what's inside, destructively of course, but anyhow, there you go. Needed to give one of these a go. So anyway, this is Alex. Thanks for watching. Have fun, and please keep it legal. Cheers.